Ever wondered what truly goes into a handmade shoe?
It's not just the upper you see. The story runs deeper. Every mark, every joint tells a tale.
The real story begins beneath your feet.
Today, we deconstruct the heel and the sole.
We need to ensure the tolerances are exactly as specified here.
What if we adjust the feed rate for the initial pass?
Yes, that should work.
Every great shoe starts with materials.
Hardwood provides strength and stability.
This leather breathes, molds, and ages naturally.
Adhesives must flex.
These choices define durability.
Comfort begins at the base.
Precision starts here.
The precision here is key. Follow the grain.
I like that. Like this? Yes.
Yes, steady pressure.
This is the foundation.
The key is in the smoothness of the motion.
Ah, I see. It needs to glide.
Yeah, yes, precisely like that.
The sole mirrors the human foot.
Almost there. Perfect.
Toe movement is engineered.
Every scratch tells a story. The sanding begins now. We smooth the past to reveal the future.
Balance and support.
Crafting with care. True passion.
Leather bond structure.
Apply firm pressure, feel the resistance of the hide.
Right, making sure the crease is deep enough.
Exactly, that's
Yeah.
the way you get the detail.
Alignment is critical.
Precision. Perfect.
Perfectly set. Ready for the world.
Mistakes last forever.
Edge smoothing is crucial. It takes patience to get it perfect. Yes, that feels right. Ready for the polish now.
The base is complete.
See the suppleness. It breathes, yet retains everything.
Oh, truly impressive, Master.
That is the mark of quality.
Pay close attention to this transition. The balance depends on it.
Yes, I understand the importance now.
A heel is balance.
Different designs, same precision.
Measuring heel height.
Is this curve correct?
Almost. You need to follow the grain closer.
I understand now.
Geometry controls stability. Sanding Hill. Comfort meets form. Glue applied to heel base. Alignment is everything.
Perfect fit. That should hold nicely. Clamping the heel. It's perfectly flush.
This is engineering.
The clamp is removed. Now the leather can breathe.
Strong and secure.
Achieving the perfect line means meticulous sanding of the heel-sole transition.
Seamless.
Listen to that resonance. Only the finest craftsmanship sounds like this.
The welt must be sewn by hand, using a thick, waxed thread for durability.
The final polish is crucial. It seals the leather and perfects the color.
I see. It truly highlights the craftsmanship.
Each layer has a purpose. Pressing out sole.
Precision continues.
Edge sanding. This process ensures the sole is perfectly smooth and rounded, a critical step for a quality finish.
Hand finished. Dye applied to edge.
Depth and character. We polish the edge. It takes time, but the finish must be perfect.
Function matters.
Listen to the tap. The sole is perfect, firm, and the finish is impeccable. They are ready now. Keep it moving smoothly along the edge. That's how you get the finish.
Details whisper quality.
Every curve, every stitch tells a story of dedication. This is where the craft truly begins. Crafted by hand.
The true mark of a quality sole is how it responds to the flex. The leather must be pliable, yet strong.
Solid tap. Ready. Crafting handmade shoe heels and soles. Rotate under light.
Every layer counts. Feel the balance before you attach the sole. That is the secret. This is the backbone.
Strong.
Balanced.
Beautiful.
Next, the upper. Every stitch, every layer of the heel tells a story of the hands that shaped it.
If you want to build footwear,
Start here.
From the ground up. Experiment. Learn. Craft.
And share what you create.